Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so let's continue with our Python from scratch series for absolute beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we work with Lambda, functions and classes in Python. Let's work with Lambda. So let's start. Let's suppose we have a variable ABC and here we will enter Lambda, give it a argument and let's return length of given argument. Okay, let me tell you about Lambda in some detail. Lambda is a anonymous function and we can pass unlimited argument to Lambda, but it will process just one expression. Okay, we can't have multiple lines in Lambda like I used len a. It will return length of a string. I will pass here print abc. Good work. Let's run it. You can see it returned the length of given string. So this is Lambda, and we can pass more variables like b, and let's add both variables. Okay, here I will give two values 10 20, so it should add both values and return the result. You can see it added both values a plus b. Okay guys, so this is Lambda and it's very useful in many cases. I have used it in several projects. I hope it will help you as well. Okay, so next thing is work with functions. Let's clear. Okay, in Python we simply create function by def keyword and function name myfun and colon, here return hello world. Okay, now here I'm calling the function myfun. Okay, it should print hello world. You can see guys, it printed out. Okay, now let me tell you about arguments. So we can set argument here a and return a. Okay, now here we can pass any string like apple and it will print apple. Okay guys, second thing is we can also set a default value of argument like I set orange. Here I give it apple and here I'm not giving any argument, so it should print orange as default value, and here I'm passing mango. Okay, so it should print apple orange mango. You can see here apple I gave it here, orange because I did not pass any value, so it picked this default value. Okay, and on third line I passed mango. Okay guys, it's clear. Okay, now if you don't know how many arguments you are going to receive in the function, you can simply set like this, just single star and function variable name. Okay, this is star and this is argument name. Now here we can print or return argument abc. Let's return mm, uh, second argument. Okay, let me clear it. Here let me give some arguments, values, I mean apple, orange, mango, banana. Okay, so as I said, a 2 here, it means 0 1 2, mango. Okay, index number 2 has mango, so it should print mango. You can see guys, it printed mango. Okay, another thing is to tell you about arguments, that we can also pass arguments in key value styling, right? Right guys, how can we pass key value styling? Let me show you. Here we can set keys. Okay, here we will set keys, and this will be the value. Let me show you. A and B and C and D. Okay, so this is key value. Here A, B, C, D. We can print any of it here. B. Let's check. Okay, you can see B key has orange value, right? So it returned orange, right? Okay guys, we can also use arbitrary arguments, keyword arguments like this, ABC. Okay, if you don't know how many arbitrary keywords are you going to receive, you can simply use like this, right? ABC, and we can pass any variable here, like C. Okay, so it should show mango. Let's check. Okay guys, you can see it printed out mango. So this is how functions work in Python. I hope you got the idea of arbitrary arguments. In short, when we don't know how many arguments we are going to receive, we can use arbitrary arguments. Okay, for simple arguments we need just single star, and I showed you how to work with that. And for keywords or arbitrary arguments, we have to use double stars. Okay guys, I hope the concept is clear to you. Let's work with class now. In Python, we simply define a class with class keyword and class name, my class. Okay, here let me set a variable ABC or my name. Okay, here let me create a constructor. In Python, for class we create constructor like this, def init. Okay guys, and here I'm going to receive an argument, so mname. I will set value of this my name here, self dot my name equal mname. Okay, so this argument will set the value of this variable, and this self is important because this self is reference to class instance, and let us access all the variables. Okay, here I am creating a normal function to print my name. So show name, return self dot my name. Okay guys, here I am going to create an object. So my obj, my class, and I have to receive arguments. So let me set value m name, word word. Okay, here I will call show name function. So my obj dot show name. Okay guys, it should print code work. Okay guys, you can see here it printed out. So this is class. I hope you got all the concepts of lambda function and class in Python. Okay guys, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel if you did not subscribe yet. Press bell icon so you will not miss my upcoming videos. I hope my upcoming videos will be more useful for you. Okay guys, thank you. See you in next video. Goodbye.